Do you know one thing I love about this recipe? You do not need eggs, you do not need butter. And this recipe will give you 12 cupcakes. Welcome back to my channel. You can see the ingredients on the screen. 85 mils of vegetable oil, half tablespoon of your vanilla essence of flavor, 1 cup of warm milk, 100 to 150 gram of sugar. If you do not like too much sugar, you can go for 100 gram, but I use 150 gram of sugar. That is half cup, then half of half cup, or half and 1/4 cup. Then for flour, I'm using 2 cups of flour. Then I'm going to add a pinch of salt, then 1/2 tablespoon rather of very good and active baking powder. That is all. You're going to mix all your ingredients together and you're going to sieve your flour into your batter. It is very important that you sift your flour because this recipe is unique. It's not like the regular cake that you need to mix your cake, your butter and your sugar. Sieving your flour or sifting it into your liquid is going to help your flour dissolve easily. Now you are going to stir your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients together. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to Debbie's Kitchen, where you have lots of yummy recipe, tips and tricks, unique recipe coming your way weekly. Now you're going to whisk. I'm using my whisk to whisk. Make sure you whisk and make sure that there are no lumps. When you start mixing your batter, you find out that there are lumps. Mix as much as you can to make sure the lumps are fully dissolved. I am using 1/4 cup to scoop my butter into my cupcake pan, into my cupcakes container or paper pan, whichever way you want to call it. I'm using this cup because I want to have an even size cupcakes. If you are using these for commercial purposes, somebody tried my chocolate oil-based cupcake recipe and she said it was really good for business. So she asked for this recipe and that's why I'm making this one for her too. Not just her, for those of you that want to go into commercial cupcake business, and I know things are a bit expensive. Finding out that you can make cupcakes for business without having to buy eggs, without having to buy butter, my dear, it will really help you make more profit. So I really do understand. So this will give your cupcake an even look. I'm using 1/4 cup. That's 1/4 cup among my cups, and I'm measuring it. This is the last one, and it wasn't really up to 1/4, as in it didn't fill the cup, so I had to really scrape my butter because I really want my cupcakes to be even. Now once you are done, you're going to tap your cupcake pan in just tap to release air bubbles. They are going to bake this at 175 degrees Celsius for not more than 15 minutes. Don't leave it more than 20 minutes. Cupcakes do not take time to bake. And this is what you have at the end of the day. Mine was a bit brown because I left it for an extra 5 minutes, so 20 minutes. But if you really want your cupcake to be soft and moist, my girl, please do not leave it more than 15 minutes. 17 minutes is okay. Your cupcake will not be hard at the top and it will come out being moist. So you can see our cupcakes. They look so good, guys. They look so good. They are moist. They are okay. Now for your milk, you can decide to use powdered milk by dissolving a tablespoon of powdered milk to 250 ml of warm water. So that's, you can go for that option too. You can see how it looks. It's hot. So what do you expect? Hot cakes. So the smoke is smoking hot. But this is moist, guys, and it is yummy. Look at how they are. Because I did measure them using my cup, you can see how even they are. They look so even, and you can see they look so beautiful. Come on, tell me what you think about this recipe. Do like, share, and subscribe, and tell me if you're going to try it out. See you in my next one. Bye. Good to have you here.